That was too tragic again. This is the point you can see from behind. This is the point where I have just come, and police are not allowing to go inside. Major problem. Next level. My wife's friend, she just called me. We'll be next heading towards Nipli Falls, which is 25 kilometers from Jog Falls. I don't know whether it's good or not, and she'll be WhatsApping me the images of that. Once I get that, I'll try to find the destination. I'll ask someone here where it is actually. Nipli Falls. I don't know. The name is really good. That's really totally fun asking people here, because the language is totally different from what we speak in Kannada, but they speak in a different way, different manner. So, man. So from here I have to, wow, spot is really good for photography there. 2 kilometers from this point, we'll head towards Nipli Falls. We'll ask someone, because net is not working, there's no use of phone, I can only vlog. That's it. Man, cows here, no? Yes, people are taking the right there. We'll even go in that way direction itself. So you can see so many people here. Let's wear mask. Oh, you can play here. That's so fun, nice. We'll take a video and come back. That's it. Apart from that, nothing else. That was too tragic again. This is the point you can see from behind. This is the point where I have just come, and police are not allowing to go inside. Major problem. Whether it's my bad luck or not, today everywhere I go, they're not allowing me inside. That is a problem. I have to do some jugaad, or I have to do some wait or something like that in order to show you places, people, for you people. All the way from that far and not able to see the points. I'm totally disappointed. We'll wait for some time here and then we'll move. No guys, nobody was allowed there inside. And I have to leave. Why? Because it's already getting late. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. When I reach home, it will be something around 7 o'clock. So in order to, wait here and waste my time, let's go have some food here, which is really totally good. We'll try some dishes over here. What is special? Because fish curry and everything are special here. We'll try that and we'll head towards Shimoga again. As I told you in my previous vlog itself, my second chapter is getting started. No, not my marriage. Marriage is done. We're going to have a baby. That is the best part. So hope everything goes good. Keep following, guys. Let's go have some lunch and then let's leave to Shimoga. Whatever it is there, we'll try out here. Whatever new we're going to explore, that will be great for us. There is one more falls here. That is not that great, but it is from the roadside. I'll try to show you whether it is good to get down or not. I don't know. More people are there. Fine, let's get on. I'll show it to you. No problem. This is how it goes. Nice, isn't it? There's nothing much to see here. Did it, showed it. So next destination is food. Hungry yaar, it's already 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock baj gaye. Pet man, it's calling me like anything. We'll go have some lunch. Pehla lunch. The hotel name is this Hotel Hallimani. I've ordered for fish food here. That is fish fry and a fish sambar followed by rice. That's it. A small hotel here. I'll look for the taste. Next level, man. Fish food. If you wanna have fish food, do come to this spot. Fries is somewhat different. I'll not waste the time. I'll have the food and we'll leave. They're offering me biryani to taste it and tell the review of that. We'll definitely do that. Biryani. Mutton biryani, na? Okay. Everything is literally good. Especially with the spices which is there. That is tasting really good. It was quite spicy and it was really good. Just love that. He just charged me 100 rupees. 100 rupees was not a big deal. It was good. Biryani was good, but not overspiced, not less spiced, but eventually it was good. Good for one time or two times. That's it. But fish curry was to the next level. Amazing. So let's not waste time. Let's not stop anywhere. Let's head towards Shimoga directly. See you once I reach Shimoga. Anything interesting if I see in the middle, I'll definitely show it to you. Delicious fish curry with rice, and it's the home food. So literally sitting here to have some dinner. So fine, this is the fish fry catalog ragu, they call it in Kannada. And this is, even afternoon I had this. Let me taste this as well. Okay. And now there's a special person out here. I have not seen her from long time. She's back again. ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Fine, I'll go with the taste now. Pretty like spicy with the fish. I'll go with the second round. Now it makes sense. Beautiful. I'll stop vlogging. I'll start having food. And one more thing, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the Shimoga vlogs. Do subscribe, do share, do comment. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Shabakar.